Hey guys, back Laser Mo Studios again. I sent a picture of this to my community post. TV setup. Yeah. Basically, I got this for $4.99. It has all split gears. All of them. It has one of those Billy Bass mechanisms, those cheap gears. I just replaced that one, but it's somewhat split. Oh. Split. And then split, and everything is split. Yeah, I took it apart. Get out of there. Get out of there, dog. Sorry, guys, I have to take apart the dog. I'll bury it when I'm done. I'm joking. Oh, I hear the printer. Okay, no more printer, and no more view Westlake. Okay. Okay, here's what's inside the dingus. Everything is split, of course. Let's play it, I guess. Works here. Listen. Yeah, this doesn't move anymore. It's all split, but somehow it works, okay. This is a pretty cool item. And this doesn't go back down. Dingus. Yeah. Oh, now it just won't move. Oh, there. Yeah, it's a good item. The cloth is very thick. It's nice. I don't have any gears right now that are worth using. Because they're all split. When the moon hits your eye, eat the pizza in your eye. That's more.